Oh, little guy. Freedom.
Oh, look at him run on the water.
Oh!
Holy jeez!
No! Go away!
See all the babies dive under the water?
Oh,
Do you see them all dive under the water?
so cute. Scared. This mom is
The culprit,
biggest dick in
the
world.
seagull.
What an it's gonna eat the babies.
This is a time where you're allowed to throw rocks at seagulls.
Yeah.
Get out of here!
Yeah! Yeah! Oh! Duck fight!
I got it on video.
That's the seagull!
I got it.
Quickly!
I got that! Woo!
His mother is occupied.
Holy cow!
That was awesome!
That was awesome! I got it all on video. It's the best thing I've ever caught on video.
Oh, go little buddy.
Now the mom gets food, and we're happy about it. Yay, mommy!
She's flapping her wings.
That was incredible.
I am so happy they're here.
I'm so happy that happened. I wonder if seagulls will take one of the baby ducklings. I can't imagine. They're not like carnivores.
That would be terrible.
Scavengers.
We're holding it ransom. You bring 3 loaves of bread to this location.
Mommy gets food now, and we're happy because you saved your babies.
She did save the babies.
There's actually bread stuck to that.
Don't worry about it. I'll get it.
I'm sure someone will eat it. Oh, mama duck. Her feathers are all ruffled up now.
Yep. I can't believe the duck got the seagull's head under the water like that.
He's like, I'm gonna kill you if you come near my babies.
Seagull promptly flew off. Screw this.
Fuck that noise. I'm out of here. I feel so bad when you see one going for it, but they're too slow and one of the other ducks grabs it. You're like, oh!
We got the baby?
Yeah, it went right off his back.
They're okay.
Yeah.
Oh!
There you go, little guy.
The babies want it, but they're not sure. They might not be allowed. Like, you guys do not go closer.